Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can apply an e-visa, or you can say online tourist visa, to travel to Togo. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys. So let's proceed. So guys, more and more countries are nowadays going towards e-visa because they are very easy to apply, and it boosts tourism too. So in front of you, I've opened the official government website of Togo. It's available in both English and French. So I've selected English. You can select French also. So now there are two things like visa application and immigration formality. So we'll go for visa application in this video. So you need to create an account first if you have not created. So if you're coming for the first time, you're going to click on create an account. Fine. Now, you need to email, mobile and password, last name, first name, gender, date of birth, nationality, and create an account. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see you guys. Hello. So what it does, it creates your account, and then when you log in using the account, it sends a code to your email account that you can pick and put over here. So the first is, what is your travel plan? I select arriving in Togo. If you want to add more travelers, like as a family, you can add them here. Otherwise, you can just select this one. So some information is going to be picked up from there that you have put in, and other things you can fill up as per your case. All information you see here is like sample and not real. So when you do it as per your case. Address abroad, put as per your case. In Togo, put as per your case. Don't go what I am doing here. First, last name. Okay, whom to contact in case of emergency. Relationship. Oh, email address also I have to provide. Definitely provide a valid email address. Don't do like this. Haha. Next comes information about stay. So travel document, passport, you can say issuing country. So do as per your own case. Type ordinary passport. Not everyone has that. Diplomatic passport issued by. Check your passport. It will have all the information. Date of expiry. Travel purpose. Holidays. Beginning of stay. I select duration of stay 16 to 30 days. Border control. How you'll enter there in the country. I select this. Client information. Wow, they have all the things pre-populated. Heading to, wow, flight number, date of flight. Of course, it should match with what you are doing. Coming from, wow. A visa is required for this trip. A visa residence visa obtained from a Tongolese visa required for this trip. Do you already have a valid document allowing you to enter? I select no. So definitely it's going to ask you to apply for a visa. Okay. So now we have gone to apply for the visa. If you have, definitely you can select over there. It's asking like it has already the details. Fee is already given here. Entry type, multiple selected. Wow. List of files to be provided in next steps. What are the files? Scanned copy of first three pages of passport, recent photo ID, travel insurance, hotel booking, bank statement, account statement, letter of invitation, if applicable, entry permit, if there. Now you need to upload those files. Now you have to upload these files. And then in the next stage, you're going to make the payment and it will be granted to you. So of course, I'm not going to do this. So that's how it works, guys. Like once granted, you can travel. So now you got an idea how to get the visa. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.